Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about the new Windows 11. Now before I get started, please hit that subscribe button down below, helps the channel out a lot. And yeah, let's try to reach maybe 1,000 subscribers before the end of July. So to start off with my thoughts of the Windows 11. So my thoughts are, it's a bit similar to Apple's iOS. I'll get to why I think that, but I'm going to talk about the things that's new with Windows 11. So one of the new things is you can choose themes now with like dark mode, maybe like gray mode or something like that. And basically it makes it look more of, easier on your eyes, because obviously with Apple, for example, you have dark mode that's enabled automatically if you want it on. And a lot more companies are more apps like Facebook, Instagram, all that. They are doing the dark mode for more devices because it's more easier on the eyes and looks a lot better. One of the other things is the widgets, which is basically a bit of the same as Apple's iOS widgets. Also, we all know about widgets. If you have like an app there that can display the weather or your simple information with different apps, or I guess in the terms of it being a Mac, or not Mac, but a Windows device, it will be like your software. But I think it's a bit too much similar to Apple. Another thing is split screen. Now this is kind of similar to Apple, but they did do a lot more with the split screen, where you can have 3 separate apps in one screen, or even have like, I think one of the things I saw off the video was 6, which I think is a bit too much, but I guess if you have a powerful enough PC, then I guess why not. And overall thoughts, it's a lot more simpler design. It's not highly technical than other things like Windows 10, which I guess if you aren't used to Apple products, like I'm using the MacBook Pro as my main computer for editing and just watching YouTube videos. It's a lot simpler, it's easy to navigate through things, where compared to the Asus M509DA, which I have, which is the only Windows device that I have, which I use for game development and gaming. Basically, I would rather have something like this where it's simpler to navigate than to have something that I need to Google some things. Obviously, if you don't have a technical background, then it's going to be hard to navigate through some things with Windows devices. That's why Apple has so many sales with MacBooks, iMacs and all that, because it's more of a friendlier layout for new customers. So what things that I really saw with the event is that it's a bit too similar to Apple, with how Apple has it laid out, with how simpler it is. Dark mode, I guess every company is going with dark mode, so that's no problem. But widgets, for example, that is kind of copying Apple with that. Honestly, I don't have Windows 11 yet, and if I do, I'll try to get that as soon as possible. I'm gonna wait maybe until I build my own PC, which I will do a video on in the future when I have the parts to do it. But otherwise, that's what I have to really say. Windows 11 is, well, I'll say that they've done the App Store nicely with the Windows 11. They did do a lot big changes that makes it look more neater, more, I guess, modern looking, because this still has some looks from the olden days. But otherwise, that's what I have to really say. I think it's interesting to see that this Windows 11 that's coming out soon after a long period of time, because you had Windows 8 and that, and more yet Windows 8, and Windows 10 came out like maybe a few years after. So this is probably something that most people were waiting for. Otherwise, that's all I have to really say for today's video. Hit that subscribe button down below, helps the channel out a lot. Hit that like button, comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, see you guys in the next video on Friday. And yeah, I have coins, so if you do want to support me, go to the first link in my bio, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next one, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.